Hi, this is Max at Jack Pine. I wanted to talk to you today about another WMS tip. Today, I wanted to go into extra steps and extra time that we see a lot of customers spend bringing product into their facilities. Extra scans, extra entries, extra selections, having to hit function keys every time I go through a process loop. It's wasting time and it's slowing down your process. In the stage receipt process, every time you go through to bring more product into the building, you have to enter a bunch of information. Here we're typing in the carrier, but unless I type in a really long specific carrier, it's going to ask me again which service level did I mean, causing me to have to hit another key. I need to enter the location that we're bringing product into. Once I select the item that we're bringing in, now I have to choose the quantity that I'm bringing in. But that's going to go to a default UOM or unit of measure in the system that's probably not going to match up with what your ERP system is expecting. Sometimes it has to match the purchasing unit of measure, or when the WMS sends the receipt message up to your ERP, the whole thing blows up and the inbound isn't even recognized. Sure, in the WMS, we can click keys to cycle through the available UOMs, or I can click a function key to select from a list. But the system should and can be smart enough to default to what UOM is associated to that PO line, so the user doesn't have to take any extra steps or make any decisions. The Jackpine team is a certified Infios developer, and we can use the Infios development tools like Advantage Architect and Page Editor and make the necessary changes to the system to default the units of measure, to default the right carriers, to default the right staging location, so you don't have to enter those things every time you go through this process. Plus, if you have any business unique requirements that your system needs, it's something we can come in, add to the system, save you a ton of time and a ton of money on expensive changes. System customization and configuration is what we work on every day. If you want to learn more about what Jackpine can bring to your system,